you got an old compass on your boat that's seen better days, you're gonna wanna watch this video. Okay, so we're on board my Maxim 2400. This is the original compass. It is 23 years old. It's seen better days. It's got an air bubble on the top. This is actually a 2003 boat. They apply to almost any Brunswick Corporation boat. They probably used all the same stuff. And this is the one I just picked up off of Amazon, the Ritchie Voyager. So as you can see, the original one was about 4 inches across. So this should be pretty much a drop-in replacement. Now, of course, falling into the realm of nothing is easy on a boat. The hole is just a little bit too small. This isn't gonna go as planned. So comparing the two of these, I think this new one's pretty nice. That looks so much better. You can even get a cover for it for 25 bucks, and since it's always exposed up here at the helm, I think I'm gonna get it. This compass looks awesome at night. It gives the helm a modern, updated look and feel, and is an easy project anyone can do over the winter for under 200 bucks. Leave some comments below, it definitely helps out the channel, and until next time, Captain John from Nautisphere, out.